Welcome. Today, we will relax our minds and souls by listening to users' reviews of Omnisend's new reports. Close your eyes. Listen. Everything is super clear and convenient. Only the best feedback. I love second performance report. When a campaign is sent to multiple segments. Also, I like the new placed order rate metric. Very cool that we can now select custom periods in reports. I give thumbs up to the new reports because they're looking good. Much better tracking and analysis. Great work. Much more intuitive and straightforward. It's also great selecting any date range is now possible.
New reports. I've been dreaming for very detailed instrument.
Now, keep your eyes closed for a moment longer. Reflect on all the positive things you've just heard. You are now ready for better reports.